So, Zach, I want to talk to you about XRP 2017 behavior, exhibiting a little bit of some interesting scenarios here, right? So, to set the stage, what was the number XRP pumped this week? About 50 plus
50%.
percent? Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. In
With
fact, that video just came out on the ClearCryptos YouTube channel.
I did. Oh, excellent. I wonder who did
No,
that.
I just saw it on Twitter. It was tweeted out. But
Oh, good stuff. Good stuff.
yeah,
So,
that was interesting, man. A 50%, and that's a big market cap to move 50% too.
well, and really, honestly, off of speculation, really, right? I mean,
Yeah,
we both covered it, and we both love XRP and all that, but there wasn't anything. It wasn't like the SEC lawsuit was settled. I know we're going to talk more about that, and it was basically, I think, speculation on two front. There was some legal maneuvering that looked like might be going XRP Ripple's way, and then also it was kind of the continued the narrative of, hey, this may already be basically in a back room. The deal may have already been negotiated between SEC and Ripple to kind
right.
of have a what is it when a ceasefire? There it is.
Ceasefire,
Yeah. Okay. So this piece of content I think is really interesting. It's talking about 790% particular in rise in coming. I think that's a little aggressive. Obviously, I think that with this, that we are definitely in a much different macro environment than we were in 2017. So what are your thoughts on what XRP's got coming at it?
So this is an interesting kind of story and headline, because at first I was like, "Oh my gosh, look at this clickbait headline. They just want us to click," and they got me right. Like I looked at it, I'm like, "What is this?" But then on second hand, is it really out of the ordinary? I mean, think
Yeah.
about this. What do people say once the lawsuit's over? Like XRP to what? $5? I've heard
I did a
$10. I mean,
video that hasn't gone live on my channel that I said the day it's not out of the realm of possibility for it to hit $3, $5 because of 5 years of pent up demand.
and that would be more than a 790% spike, correct?
Yes. Well, don't ask me to do math in
Well,
public,
that's
dude.
you know what I'm saying. It's
Yeah,
up
I
there.
mean, well,
Um,
okay. What's 50 times 50 cents times 100? Is that right? 100x. But that's not percentage. See, I can't
I know, me too. I'm not a math guy.
I can't
But
do that.
so hold on. If you scroll down, I think they outline what the price would be. There you go.
The current
Rally
price of
engine then pump
47
to
coincides with the value of the asset's position in May of 2017. So they're basically drawing some lines here, talking about kind of the parallels, right? Obviously.
yeah, and it went all
Uh,
the way to its all-time high of about $3.84. So I'm guessing like that's that percentage gained there is similar there, right?
yeah.
So I mean, is it out of the realm of possibility? I don't know. I mean, in this market, you question if it's possible, but how many people are on the sidelines? And how many people would get into XRP if it got relisted on Coinbase? Even think about that.
Yeah, but so here's what
Is
I
that a
think.
big deal? I don't know. I mean, it's hard to get XRP right now
Well,
in the
yeah,
United States. It's hard.
it's pain in the ass. It is a pain in the ass.
It's Uphold and it's shoot. What's the other? They're not very large exchanges. Is my point.
No, I know. But but here's what's going to happen. The day that the lawsuit is announced, let's say, and it does go XRP's way, you're not going to magically be able to buy it on crypto.com and Coinbase as an example on that exact day. It's going to take them a little bit of, they're going to turn it back on. They're going to oh, sure, are we good here? The dust has got to settle, all that stuff. So you're looking at it'll be all that buying on the other proverbial exchanges, all that kind of stuff. And so I think the net effect of this is that, yeah, I think that it's entirely possible. I don't see any reason it couldn't go from 50 cents to north of $3 in a 48-hour period. And then you have the add-on effect when you can get it back on crypto.com and Coinbase. I think that's a second pump, if you will.
I think this is a big question too. It's already a market cap of it's a big market cap. It's top what 10 crypto. What is it? 20, 25 billion?
Yeah, it's big. Let me refresh this page here.
So that tells me that a lot of people have stayed in this, even through all of this craziness.
Yeah, 22 billion right there. 22 billion.
How much pent up demand is there from not just retail money, but like big time institutional money that would bring this price up in a hurry? And then you know what happens, Austin. We've seen it. Once the whales come in, or institutional money, what happens? Retail money flows in right behind it, and I mean it could get crazy.
I think the whales are already here. I think they're sleeping giants. We know a couple of them personally that are just accumulating. And if it was, yeah, I mean,
that's a good point.
I think, but that doesn't change. That doesn't change that doesn't change the narrative, right? I think it's still. I think that the day it goes, the day that the lawsuit is settled or announced or whatever it is, I think you're seeing an insane bump. And yeah, I think now that we kind of looked at it, 700+% in a period of 48 hours would not surprise me. And I think it's for one reason: the 5 years worth of pent up demand. I think that's it.
It's going to be interesting to watch, man. It's going to have huge effects on everything in crypto moving forward, man. I'm, everybody's
stream brought to you by today by Chick-fil-A. New sponsor of ClearCryptos, Chick-fil-A. There we go. I'm sorry,
I like it.
All right,
so I got my local coffee.
Yeah, there you go, coffee. You're drinking unbranded coffee. So we'll see you later. Y'all have a good one. Take it easy. If you're interested in ClearCryptos, learning more, links in the description below. Discord. That's all I'm going to say. Go get involved in the Discord. That's where
we're also getting close to 20,000 on Twitter too. So if you want to help us out, get there, that'd be awesome.
See you.